When using your Merrill Edge account, it's important to follow basic security steps to protect your investments and personal information. So in today's video, we are providing you with a very simple checklist based on common security recommendations used by Bank of America and Merrill platforms. So you can just go over and follow this method. One other thing we can do is we can use a secure password for your Merrill Edge account. So while creating an account, while you're creating a password, ensure that you're using a secure password. Use at least 8 to 12 characters, include uppercase and lowercase letters, add numbers and special characters, and avoid using birthdays, names, or simple words. Also enable two-step verification. So you can log in into your account first, and once you are logged into your account, you can use two-step verification. So go ahead and use that, and you may receive the code via text, a message, email, authentication app that will ensure only you can access the account even if someone knows your password. Also check the official login page. Make sure you are using the official login page, which is merrillbase.com. So go ahead and look out for it. And make sure it's starting from HTTPS. Make sure the URL starts from it, and the domain should be merrilledge.com. And look out for the log icon in your browser as well. That will ensure that your browser is safe. And do not log in your Merrill Edge account into any public server, public computers, internet cafes, shared work computers. If you must, always log out completely and clear out the browser data as well. And log out after every session as well. So if you're in Merrill, you can just go and log out after every session on your device. And also go ahead and clear out the browser cache if you're using a different computer, because alerts can be sent by email or text. And always sign out when finished, especially out of shared devices. And keep your device secure. That way you can just go over and basically go ahead and have a safe login in your Merrill account for trading and everything. So you can follow out the steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.